This is MX-6, 1992,
2.5 litre.
2.5 litre. You upgraded the wheels.
Yeah.
The suspension's the same. 2.5 litre V6. Okay. 24 valve, right? Have you had to have it tuned up yet?
Nah.
Can you do all that yourself, or?
I don't know. Oh, probably not with the key.
Has it ever been in a crash?
No.
Look at the gap. It's even. Lovely. How's the boot? Look at the gap. Even. What's the AM? What's the AM for, George?
Do you know the new sticker shop?
Yeah.
Yeah,
No?
it's just the guy that is big in the car community, kind of.
In
That's
Invercargill.
just his little brand.
Oh, cool. Is that down here on Space Street or something?
No, it's down D Street.
Okay, no, I have to check that out. Now, this is the deal about car community, car culture. There's people for every different sort of cars. And you don't all have to be Ford, don't always have to be Holden, you don't always have to be Honda. You just have to be passionate like George is for this car. Look how beautiful it is. Put the bonnet down, George. This is probably better than showroom.